Hello everyone, this is from the team Cool Kings, and we are here to keep our words on the video which have listened by the motivational speaker Shiv Khera. So I am Chris, she is.
This is Miss Sophia here, and today I am representing the team Cool Kings, and we are here to tell you, give you few examples which we have listened from the short clip of Mr. Shiv Khera, or some examples of our side also.
Thank you.
Hey fellas, Naval, Albert and Miss Sarah here, and today we are representing Team Buddha, and today we are going to share one of our thoughts and some of our stories which we learned from the speech of Mr. Shiv Khera. So let's begin the lecture.
Hi, this is Sarah here from Team Buddha, and today we're going to share our story that what we have gone through with the speech of Mr. Shiv Khera and Mr.
And first of all, I would like to Mrs. Sarah to continue on with the first example and the first story which we learned.
So basically the topic was about the discipline. He was saying that discipline takes away the freedom, but further he explained that what do you mean by discipline? Discipline is a track to run on. Discipline never takes the freedom, he gives the freedom, and people always ask to be free, and that discipline provides them to be in their life to be free. And further he will explain.
Let me give you an example of this. Like we have a car, and if we don't have a steering wheel in the car, where will the car go? It will go straight only because we don't have a steering wheel to move it. So we are bound to it. We are bound to go straight. And what if we have a discipline? Discipline is the path. Discipline is our steering wheel. What if we have steering wheel? We can move the car here and there. So discipline gives us freedom. We can roam anywhere with the car with the steering wheel. But without steering wheel, we are bound to go straight. So that is an example of the discipline. Discipline is a path which leads us to the right way. Thank you.
And the next that he has tell us that never give up, because people always think that if the situation is going against them or they are facing difficulty, they try to run away from that situation. But instead of running from that situation, you should try to find out the new ideas or new things, that how can you handle that situation instead of running that situation. Then the next point to do.
And the main point is, where do we get discipline? We get discipline with our environment, with our experience, and many more. So first of all, let's talk about environment. Like our parents, we got all our discipline with the parents. So I think I should not talk about the giraffe story because everyone heard of that. But let me take another example.
Yes, you can take a giraffe story.
Giraffe story?
Yeah.
So let's talk about giraffe story first. What is the giraffe story? When the baby giraffe is born from the mother giraffe, when the baby giraffe falls from the cushion of the mother giraffe, it falls down, and at as weak as he is not able to move. So what does the mother giraffe do to make him move? Mother giraffe kicks him again and again until he stands up and moves. Why? What is the main motive? Does she not love her? Doesn't she love her? Yes, she loves her, but sometimes you have to be unkind to be kind. The mother giraffe's only intention was that she should protect him. That if the baby giraffe goes through a hardcore process for a little time, then throughout his life he'll enjoy the life. Thank you, and now Miss Sarah will continue on.
And the next was that how parents deal with this with a 3-year-old child when they are getting frustrated and irritated from them, that they used to give the chocolates to the child and give the bunch of the chocolates to them, but they are nothing to be seen like a discipline. They should give it. There should be discipline while giving them the chocolates, because if they give a bunch of the chocolates to them and they eat in a one day the bunch of that chocolate, so they will create problem towards their health, and they will fall ill. So instead of doing that, they should give the chocolates on their regular basis, suppose 1 to chocolates, so that they feel excited at that time and feel happy, instead of giving them on a regular basis of a bunch of or
Any
box of
questions here?
chocolates.
If anybody wants to ask something, you can ask. We are here to solve your problems.
Please ask question.
Anybody having any question or query?
Yes, you.
If they tell us that we have car without steering, then why you drive that if the car did not have steering? And you think it will go straight, but the car did not have steering, so why you drive it?
So that's what we are trying to explain, that life without discipline can't go. You have to bring discipline in your life to run your life precisely or in a good manner if you want to achieve a goal. Your life should be in a disciplined manner.
What if a car was made without a steering wheel? What if it was pre-made without a steering wheel and it has directions fitted inside it automatically, and the car takes us everywhere where it wanted to be,
But without
where the
steering-
developers wanted
But
the
without
car to
steering, we
go?
can't turn the road without.
Yes, that's what we are saying, that without
But if
discipline
you-
we are bound to go straight.
So that's an example that we are giving to you to understand betterly that how discipline comes in your life and how should discipline should be in your life.
You satisfied? Are you satisfied? Yes. Anyone question? Anyone want to ask any question? Yes. Is there any question?
Is there any questions? If you have, you can ask.
Yes.
And his speech, he also told that he has read an article in USA about that the people over 50 years have no generation because the youth of the below than the 50 years have the more power to ask the questions rather than the people over 50 years. So yeah, this was the he was explaining next.
Yes.
Yes, let me take another example. Once a judge asked the prisoner, a thief, to speak his last words. So, do you know what the thief said? He said that if I am a thief, then my parents are also the thief. You should catch them in the jail too. Why? Because when he was a child, when the thief was a child, he stole a pen from his school, and his parents ignored it just because he was a small kid at that time. So they thought that we should not scold him. He's just a kid, so we should left him and he'll understand it way by way. But the thief started stealing afterwards from the neighborhood, and then he became a great thief, and now he's in the judge's office. And so he's saying that my parents didn't teach me discipline, so you should catch them in the jail too. That's why I was saying that disciplines come from our environment. Our parents, our teachers, and our siblings teach us the discipline which we need. Now Miss Sarah will continue on.
Yes. Any question?
Any questions? Yes, you can ask.
The thief have no brain that I am doing something wrong.
Actually, he was a kid, and during a kid doesn't have any brain.
After adult, he have no
Yes,
mind.
I'm speaking that only by order. So let me tell that first.
Okay.
So when the thief was a kid, he was just a kid. He has no brain. So no one was there to teach him. No one was there to tell him what to do. So he went on the wrong path and saw that no one is telling him anything against him. So he thought that he's going on the right path. So he continued it. Why does he felt that he's going on the wrong path when no one is there to ask him anything? Yes.
If anyone is not asking the questions, then per question it would be charged.